Welcome to the world of Industry 4.0, a technological revolution that's reshaping industries. In Industry 4.0, everything is connected. Imagine a massive digital spiderweb linking all devices and people. In smart supply chains, products are tracked in real time, so companies know where they are at all times. Connectivity allows people from around the world to work together in virtual meeting rooms, even if they're miles apart. Industry 4.0 relies on the power of data. In today's factories, sensors are everywhere, which are constantly collecting data. These sensors track everything from machine performance to product quality. This data is then turned into charts and graphs, helping companies make smarter decisions, preventing problems, and saving money. Workers can wear special AR glasses that project information right into their field of vision. It's like having a digital assistant by your side. AR also lets people in different places collaborate as if they were in the same room. It's like magic. At the GBS IoT Cyber Physical Factory, you can use AR to monitor, learn about, and maintain the system. One popular type of additive manufacturing is 3D printing. Instead of cutting and shaping materials, additive manufacturing methods build objects layer by layer. This means you can make all sorts of incredible things, from toys to car parts. It's being used in fields from medicines to space exploration, and it's turning the way we make things upside down. Finally, with all this connectivity, there's a need for cybersecurity to protect against digital threats. Cybersecurity experts keep eyes on digital systems, ensuring that sensitive data remain safe. Industry 4.0 is all about the connectivity of people, products, and processes. It can use big data, augmented reality, and additive manufacturing methods interconnected using the internet and safeguarded by cybersecurity. Embrace the future of Industry 4.0, where possibilities are endless, and you are the pioneers of this amazing journey.